everybody. This is Miss Jackie and Miss Casey from the Ludington Library Junior Room in Lower Merion Township in Montgomery County. We librarians are trying to think of ways to keep you guys entertained at home. We know it's really hard to stay at home, so we're posting videos on our Facebook pages for you to see with activities that are fun to do for the whole family. Today we are going to start up a little garden made out of recycled materials from your house, which is really easy to do. Everybody should have an egg carton at home. You're going to cut off the top because you don't need that. And you're going to need some potting soil, a spoon, some seeds. I have some green pepper seeds here, and some water, and some paper towels in case things get messy. You're going to need the tray because when we water the plants, the water is going to soak through the egg carton and get all runny all over the table, so you don't want that. I suggest you do this outside, not inside, because it does get a little messy. And Lord knows I'm messy. So the first thing you're going to do is, we cut off the top already. You're going to put some potting soil with a spoon in each little egg carton container, maybe halfway up. It's going to take a little time. But this is great. You can plant whatever you want to plant. I have green peppers, but you can do tomatoes. You can do cucumbers. What else?
Pumpkin seeds.
Pumpkin seeds.
Green beans.
Green beans are the best. They're really easy to grow. I don't know how many of you have gardens at home, but it's always fun to see your plants grow once they start to take sprout. All right, so halfway full, not so bad. You're going to rip it open, your seeds, and they're very little, so you have to make sure. I could open this thing. Scissors helps too.
Yeah, this is scissors.
There you go. So the seeds are very little. I don't know if you can see them from that far away. But you're only going to take one or two and put them in the center of the dirt. Push them down with your finger until they're nice and covered. Okay. You don't have to water your plants all the time, but you do have to keep them moist so that they can take root. So you're just going to take a couple, put them in each pile of dirt. Just push them down with your finger. We've always had a garden growing up. It's a lot of fun. Make sure you get them all out of there. Sometimes they get stuck. Okay. Now what you want to do is cover them up with some more dirt. Make sure they're nice and covered.
The best thing about family gardens is that you get to do it together, and it's great for all ages. From toddlers all the way up to school-age children. Gardens are fun for everybody.
Okay. All done. Now you just want to flatten them out a little bit. Make sure they're all good and covered. Then the reason I have this tray is because you're going to take some water. You're just going to dump a little on each one. And the egg carton will leak, but it's a good way to start seedlings. And what we'll do is we'll post pictures of our plants growing so you can see their progress, and you can see them online. I would love to see pictures of your garden. Share your photos with us under the video and let us see you creating your special garden. Okay, we have another craft for you. This is a really fun one, and you just need a recycled piece of cardboard. I'm using a Fruit Loops box, And what you want to do is have somebody help you, and you're going to trace your hand. Okay, you're going to trace both hands, but you can do one of a friend's and one of your own. And I can help Casey trace hers. This is a fun thing for everybody to do. Draw your wrist. Okay, now Miss Casey, you do mine. Opposite hand.
It's okay if it's a little messy.
Chances are you'll have black marker on your fingers a little bit.
We know we do.
This is a good eye-hand coordination painting game, painting project for everybody. So it looks like this. You're going to draw fingernails on the edge of, did that one backwards, on the edge of each finger. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what your fingernails look like.
Everyone's fingernails are different, so.
You can make them in the finger, you can make them out of the finger. All right, so I made long fingernails, and Casey's hand has short fingernails. It doesn't matter.
Everyone's
Whatever you
different.
want to do. Then you're going to go get a bottle of nail polish, and you're going to learn how to paint nails. So you're going to turn it around and shake up your nail polish real good. And then you're going to paint the nail part. You can use multiple colors or single colors, it doesn't matter. But it's something fun for the kids to do.
Like an at-home salon.
At-home salon, yes. That's so much fun. You can make rainbow colors too, that'll be fun.
It's a really great way to fine-tune your fine motor skills as well. And it's fun.
All right, Miss Casey, you want to do that?
Yes, please.
It's a lot of fun. We're just trying to think of activities that you guys can do at home with the family, and keep you linked to the library system at the same time. All 6 libraries in Lower Merion are posting videos for you to see with different activities or different information that you need to know. Please tune in. We also have a calendar of all online events at lmls.org. Please check that out. It'll also tell you all the downloadable things that we have to offer you as resources. Voila! We have painted nails. Hope you guys enjoyed our activities. Stay tuned for more announcements on programming. Thank you.